Hi everyone, this is me Vivian in Hairstyle channel, and today I will show you how to use a hairpiece for party or wedding. First you need to have your hair in a ponytail. As you see, I have it on my crown, and then you twist your own hair and put it in a knot. Secure it with a Barbie pin, and then you get your hair pieces. This is the hair piece. You can buy them online. I got them from Amazon, and this video is not sponsored, so I'm using on my own choice this hair piece. You can get them everywhere online. You wrap the hair piece around the knot you just created, your own hair, and here I have 3 more pieces to make it look more elegant and fuller my hair. Okay, so this is the first one. I will put another 3 on it, so it will be 4 total, and as you see, the second one will go all the way around the first one but a bit wider. So I'm creating more and more rounder and fuller effect. You can see the third one also a bit wider, and then you do the fourth, the last one, also even more wider. See, all over the first and the second and the third. And then you go with your finger and just scrunch it. Don't brush the hair, because this hair extension pieces are synthetic, so I will definitely say no brushing, just natural with your hand. And the rest of the hair you can spray with hair like a hairspray to secure all the little hairs, the baby hairs. Like me, I have a lot of them, so yeah. If you have them like me, just spray them with hairspray, hair lacquer, and then you just make sure the film is balanced with your face, with the shape of the hairstyle, and this is it. You're ready for a party. You look elegant, ready for any party you want to go. If you are getting married, I will definitely say if you have nice jewelry for your wedding, you can use that and you'll be ready for your wedding. This is a very good tip, especially if you're getting married and your hairdresser didn't show up the last minute. You always have a backup plan B, I call it. So just in case, you always have your extension pieces with you to save you on your wedding day, and you're ready for your wedding. Perfectly nice, elegant, classic hairstyle for your special day. I hope you like this video. This is Vivian in Hairstyle channel. See you next video. Bye bye. Ciao.